Hey everyone, Will from Project List. In today's tutorial, we're going to start to take a little look inside the Project List app, specifically inside account settings and everything you can do. The only prerequisites for this tutorial is to have the app downloaded and to have a registered and onboarded account. If you haven't done any of these, we have tutorials, so check them out on our YouTube and on our website. The only other thing to note, as always, I'll be using an iPhone for this tutorial. However, if you have an Android device, all the exact same steps and things I will show you apply. If you're ready, let's get started. To find your account settings, open the Project List app on the home screen. If you're not already on the home screen, you can navigate there by clicking on the Home button in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you're on the home screen, look in the top right-hand corner and you should see a small cog. Tap this to open up your settings. There is a lot you can do on this screen, including change your profile picture, update your profile information, update your interests by adding and removing them, updating your home address, switching between light and dark mode. You can upgrade to our premium account. You can log out. You can request an account deletion. And of course, you can review our privacy policy and terms of service. I will now go through each of these options in a little more detail. We'll start with the update profile. Here, you can change your email, your password, as well as update other information that you filled out whilst onboarding, including your first name, last name, display name, and the description you gave about yourself, including your skills and interests. Do so, simply tap it and it will open up the menu. As you can see, like onboarding, there are various inputs to fill in. Simply tap on each one and type if you would like. When you're ready, you can tap the Save button to update your profile. Or if you'd like to revert changes, you can tap the arrow in the top left-hand corner to go back to all account settings. Next is the Update Interests menu. Again, tap it to open it up. Inside this menu, you will notice it looks exactly the same as the onboarding screen. You can add and remove interests at your leisure. You can tap the search box to look for new interests, or you can simply scroll and browse to see everything that we have in the app. I will update a few interests now, and again, when you're ready, you can tap Save to update, or if you'd like to revert, you can tap the arrow in the top left-hand corner to go back to all account settings. Next up is the Update Home Address section. Like all of the other options, you can simply tap it to open it up. Here, you can change the home address Project List has for you. Like onboarding, you can tap through each of these inputs and update it. And when you are ready, tap Save to go back. Or if you'd like to revert, tap the arrow in the top left-hand corner. As we scroll down account settings, the next setting you'll see is for dark mode. We've built this right into the app, allowing you to change theme between light and dark mode depending on what you prefer. This one doesn't need much explanation. Simply tap the toggle switch to go between your preferred theme. Scrolling on down, you'll now get to the Upgrade to Premium section. As part of Project List, we offer a premium account upgrade. Premium members enjoy ad-free browsing, enhanced visibility, and higher data limits over free accounts. It costs $2.99 a month, and you can cancel at any time. If you do choose to upgrade, thank you. As we scroll on down to the bottom of account settings, there are just a few options left. There's a Logout button that allows you to sign out of your account, a Delete Account button that allows you to email us to initiate an account deletion, and of course, there are our privacy policy and terms of use. And that's it for this tutorial. We've covered everything there is in account settings. In the next one, we'll start to go over some more of the app's functions, including the search, listing projects, listing events, messaging, and more. If there are any questions regarding the contents of this tutorial, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team as always. We'll be happy to help. See you next time.